All right, here we go with problem number 2. A unicycle wheel has a radius of 10 inches. How far will you travel in 5 revolutions? A revolution is one spin around. All right, so this is kind of interesting. So it's asking us, what is the question asking you to find? 5 revolutions. That equals the circumference times 5. That's what that is telling us. So what you actually can put is you can put, let's do it this way so it all fits in this nice little box, C times 5. All right, so that's what I would put right there is 5 revolutions is what it's asking us. That's our circumference because at this point, the circumference is what goes, it's the outside part of your wheel. And so what's giving us a radius. So what formula is it asking us? So let's go down here. We have circumference and the radius within this formula right here. So C equals, you want to come up to here to insert special characters. I like that some of you guys are doing this now. Thank you so much. And then delete that. So 2 pi r, we're going to substitute the values that we know. So circumference we don't know equals 2 times pi is 3.14 times my radius of 10. We need to show our work. So we have C equals 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 times 10. Then I have C equals 6.24 times 10 is 2.8. Now I'm not done completely because I need to multiply that by 5 because they want to know not just the wheel itself. One revolution is going from one part of the wheel all the way around to that part again. So that's going around the wheel once. They want us to do that 5 times. So I need to take my answer of 62.8 times multiplied by 5. That's going to give me 314. And I actually can just put that down here. 5 revolutions traveled is 314 inches. And there you go. That's how you figure out the 5 revolutions. Because just think of a wheel on a bike, of it going around as you're riding the bike. So you're pretty much taking your circumference and you're multiplying it 5 times because it's like the wheel going around 5 times. Or you going around the wheel or the wheel moving on the ground. You kind of have to picture that in your head. And so that's how you would work this one out. So make sure you have what is the question asking you to find. 5 revolutions, circumference times 5. What's the formula? There's no special formula for this. It's the same formula that we use to find circumference. If we have a radius, we substitute the values that we know. We solve for the variable. We did. We weren't done yet because down here we needed to make sure that we multiplied our circumference times 5. And then we were able to write our sentence. 5 revolutions traveled is 314 inches. So make sure you have all of that before you move on.